floppy ears swing side to side, walking on a jungle ride. Sunny skies and trees so tall, baby elephant loves them all.
Choo, choo, choo. Baby elephant sprays some water, splashing near the river border. Tiny trunk goes swish, 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 playing with a little fish. Cool blue water shines so bright, everything feels pure delight. Three, three, three.
Baby elephant runs to play through the jungle every day. Butterflies fly in the air, magic colors everywhere. Happy animals laugh and sing, joyful jungle bells all ring.
4, 4, 4. Baby elephant loves to eat juicy fruits so fresh and sweet. Bananas, apples, tasty treats, crunchy snacks are fun to eat. Tiny trunk picks food with cheer, happy lunchtime's always near.
See it, see it, see it. Baby elephant dances slow, moving where the breezes blow. Big gray ears flap, 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 tiny feet go tap, tap, tap. Jungle music fills the air, fun and laughter everywhere. 6, 6, 6.
Baby elephant takes a bath, splashing down the muddy path. Water drops fly all around, making funny playful sound. Cool and clean from head to toe, happy smiles begin to grow.
7, 7, 7. Baby elephant plays with friends, jungle fun that never ends. Monkeys swing and parrots sing, birds fly high with colorful wings.
Everyone joins in the play on this bright and sunny day.
Day, go, day.
Baby elephant takes a nap, curled beside mama's lap. Gentle breeze and soft green grass, watching fluffy clouds that pass. Dreaming in the afternoon, underneath the shining moon.
Nighttime comes in jungle land, stars above look bright and grand. Baby elephant snuggles tight, sleeping softly through the night. Moonlight glows on trees so high, silver sparkles fill the sky.
Can, can. Baby elephant waves goodbye, lifting trunk up to the sky. Clap your hands and sing along to the elephant's happy song. Big warm smiles and thoughtful cheer, baby elephants always near.